I go and fire broke back. But I just want you left me at the bar and circle me in about an hour or and a half. You hear that? If me ready before that, me not be out here. Don't know, you know, keep your phone close. If I'm ready before that, I shout to you, yeah. Yeah, done.
Yeah, brother. Yeah, man, when you say I come clean up my place, me, yeah, man, come forward, man. I want the back of the place clean up properly, you see me? Cool.
Wrong, kid.
One king.
Hey, did it.
With my ganja pipe.
Bomba! Hey, you know the last time I see one of them there up close. I think I one of them Bob Marley show them going up. Yeah. Back to basics. Natural.
Yeah. Right now, all I pre-say I could have gone on some distribution of them thing, you know. You know, we could have make all artists make a couple of them. Come out the artistic skill, you know. And put them on the market. I don't see them nowhere.
Which is right. You know me love how they I think recently. I swear.
We're on a different part, you know, King, man. It's a different focus, you know. Yeah, man, and give thanks to the eye too, you know.
Worry yourself, man. That's simple, so. So, what going over here otherwise?
Well, it's good and not so good, you know. You want to know say Clarice in the hospital?
What? What going? Has somebody moved to her?
Nah, man. I mean, stand up here so easy, King. Nah, man. Sick, she sick, man.
Oh, so what going on with that?
They don't want to know, so she over her yard the other day and collapse, you know. Yeah, man, it's like her heart shut off.
Cha-cha.
When you know, sir, nobody can say nothing about this. You have to take this to the grave.
So when you say I did have a plan, Kerry, this I did a plan?
So she have a heart condition?
Why? Me and a doctor, you know, King. So I don't even know right now, we just wait for the result. But you see, the good thing is, in order for you have a heart condition, you have to have a heart. And you know, Clarice, she going like she not no heart.
Well, I hope she not nothing too serious. Because it's never a good thing for a person to attack them in their own chest.
Boy, we have to just hope for the best, you know, King. Yeah, man. And you want to know, say, all one night time you have to really pray, you know, because you don't know the thing corrupt, you know. Zane. And to she begin at this church business, Virgin, I have to wonder if somebody want a position and try poison her. But I don't know.
You know what the worst thing they're going to say me involved?
Yo, you say if this come out,
Ranking of a priest and me sending over the deal.
Look like on a love problem. Just when we are build back the peace, this gonna make happen.